had a lot of hay cut off it, never had any real love, so we're trying to fix it up with a machine like this. Tim Barry's my name. We bought this place probably 2 years ago now, just in conjunction with our farm. We're running it together, and yeah, it was a pretty run down, tight sort of place. So we're just trying to use this ripper to fix it up. Been on this farm like 5th generation. I am, and my daughter's standing over here now. She's 6th generation, just come back to the farm. Just got a mixed farming, mostly cropping now. Used to be a lot of merinos, but more cropping, and there's more money in that now. So just trying to pay off the farm and pay off interest that way. So. Yeah, well, there's certainly a deep pan here, which is, you know, doesn't let anything through. It just gets very tight here and a lot of water runoff, so we just want to use that. And so that's probably the main reason we've looked into something like this. We've had no wear at all yet. There's sort of a substantial sort of point, but I think that sort of works well down deep. It does all the cracking down below, leaves all the clay and whatever down the bottom, doesn't bring anything up. I found that to be very good. No, there's certainly no wear. We've done probably 50 hectares so far with this machine, and there's no wear at all. It's been fantastic. Bronson from Ballarat there, he's been very good. We had a machine we bought out. It was a 5-time machine that we tried out. We found it quite good. It was a little bit lighter than this big bugger, but a bit of extra weight in this and a few more horsepower in this. It's been a great machine. So. Bronson's been great to deal with, and yeah, recommend this machine to anyone really.